if you're struggling with the parking brake on your 207, W207, C207 or A207 E-Class, and probably these other ones of a similar year, if it ratchets, so you can push it in and it makes a noise but doesn't latch. The problem is, once you've taken the cover off underneath the driver's seat, underneath the steering wheel, sorry, you'll see there's a spring back here, this spring here, that goes to this piece of plastic, and this metal hook is supposed to be over here, so that needs pulling out and pulling back and hooking in here. Now you can't really do it with your finger. Sometimes you might need to get a pair of pliers, but sometimes you get lucky and you can pull it in. So that's back where it's supposed to be now. If I push the pedal, it now locks on, and that is how you fix the handbrake on your E-Class. So push it on, pull it off, sorted. So that's how it should look. Maybe you can see that now, that metal hook. So it's this hook here under my finger pops out and gets stuck under this bit that pulls the cable, whereas it should be there. I hope that helps people.